Good evening and welcome. This press briefing is basically to inform you the kind of progress we have made with respect to National Space Science Symposium 2024. If you recollect, 3 months back, we had briefed you about the proposed plans and actions, etc. But now we have the complete picture of what is going to happen. We will have, first of all, let me tell you that we have received around 921 abstracts. And these 921 abstracts have been divided into five plenary sessions. And these plenary sessions are space-based meteorology and oceanography, geosphere, biosphere interactions and climate change. I will be giving this printout so that you won't make any mistake. And then second is middle atmosphere, ionosphere, thermosphere, magnetosphere, coupling process and space weather impact. Third one is solar and planetary sciences. Fourth one is astronomy and astrophysics. And fifth one is enabling technologies for space exploration. Now here, in addition to this plenary session, as I informed you last time when we met, that we have 4 public lectures. The first one will be given by ISRO chairperson himself, Dr. Somanath, on 26th February at 4:30. And the second lecture will be delivered by Dr. Shailesh Naik. I'm happy to inform you that he has been awarded Padma Shri in the recent, the Republic Day. So he's Padma Shri, Dr. Shailesh Naik. He is now director of NIAS, National Institute of Advanced Studies. He's also former secretary of Ministry of Earth Sciences. And then on the 28th, we have Dr. Shekhar Mande. He is the former DG of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. And on the 29th, we have a public lecture by the former chairman of ISRO, Shri Kiran Kumar. So we have public lecture, we have plenary session, and then another format of this, the symposia, is that we have interdisciplinary lectures. So there are 4 interdisciplinary lectures. Each one is on different days, like 26th you have 27th, 28th and 29th. And then, as you know that ISRO is advancing in a very fast pace. So therefore, to inculcate or to know that what are the kind of ideas students have, we also have a session on students, wherein students are allowed to interact with the scientists prior, and then they themselves will come and present their sessions. So there is a session for students, and for which we have around 60 students, and these 60 students are selected on the basis of the criteria adopted by ISRO. Out of the 60, 45 from nationwide, nationwide, and 15 from Goa. So 15 students are from Goa, remaining 45 are from elsewhere in the country. Then another attraction is that, what we want is that we really want to have, to create an interest in the young minds. So for that, exhibition is the perfect media. Therefore, what we did is that we will have this exhibition of the entire journey of ISRO along with all the other, which they have already prepared. That will be there for all the children, let's say from between 8th standard to 12th standard. So that is another attraction as far as this Space Science Symposium is concerned. Then, there is no fee, etc. for any general public to come and, interact with that. Therefore, I request all of you, please give wider publicity so that it has to go to every nook and corner of state of Goa, so that at every student, whether he's in 8th standard or in the higher secondary or in college or in the engineering division, let them come and interact with these scientists. In fact, almost all the scientists who are involved in Chandrayaan and Aditya, they are all here. Now for the abstract accepted for oral presentation are 294, which is spread across all the sessions, and then abstract accepted for poster are 627. There is poster presentation and oral presentation. Oral means 10 minutes. The selected scientist will come to the stage and then he will make a presentation, and then there will be question and answer on that. That is oral. And poster means like this. Will be displayed on the standee, and then anyone who is interested in that study can go and interact. So that's the way. So there are oral and poster presentations. You can. I would request you. Professor Rivonker, as you know, he is the LOC, Local Organizing Committee Chairperson. Professor Priolkar is the Co-Chairperson of LOC, Local Organizing Committee.
Yeah, this National Space Science Symposium is we are conducting in collaboration with ISRO, and now we have been also funded by MOES as well as the government of Goa in order to facilitate the conduct of this symposium. Now the inaugural function is scheduled on 26th at Shama Prasad Stadium, which wherein the chief guest is our Honorable His Excellency Governor of Goa, and also we have a guest of honor, the Chief Minister of Goa, along with Chairman ISRO and a former Chairman who will be there on the dais. And this inauguration is scheduled on 26th at 10:00 hours. Now, the most unique part of this particular symposium is that the public lectures. The 4 public lectures are scheduled in. One is in Shama Prasad Stadium, that is Goa University campus itself. One is in Ravindra Bhavan, Sanklim, that is by Dr. Padma Shri Shailesh Naik. And then we have Dr. Shekhar Mande in Margaon, Ravindra Bhavan. And another last one is by Kiran Kumar in Ponda, that is Rajiv Gandhi Kala Mandir. So these are the 4 venues for which we have selected public lectures. So the whole idea, as our Honorable Vice Chancellor has said, is to create an awareness, and every corner or every part of this particular society, as far as Goa is concerned, they should be making an best use of this particular lectures so that they are aware of what is happening in space science and technology. Apart from this, we have overall during the 5-day period, we have about 63 presentations maximum made in each session. So we have about 5 sessions by the recognized scientists of ISRO, and we also have oral presentation on each day. We will have almost about 150 plus poster presentation which will be made at Manohar Parrikar School. And this will be also followed by some of the breakout sessions. That is, some of the scientific community, if they are interested to discuss about the future prospects on specific area, that will be also discussed by some of the scientific community at that time after the event is over, that is later in the evening. And the final component, I would request Kaustubh to talk about student session.
Yeah.
That is.
So the student session is basically based on, as our Vice Chancellor said, there are 60 students who are selected from all over the country, 15 from the state. So these basically students are from different colleges and Goa University, and 45 are coming from all over the country. So the scientists of ISRO will conduct a workshop for them at the beginning, or on the first day, you can say. And after that, these students have already been told, like they have submitted their abstracts, and so they will make an oral presentation. So their ideas or whatever they have. So it is a big opportunity for these students to not only interact with ISRO scientists, but also present their ideas or whatever work or small projects that they have done, maybe in their colleges or something, in front of these and get some guidance, and then go ahead in further research or learning about space science or allied areas of space. Right. So this is the highlight, and the major, as it was pointed out earlier, that major part of attraction would be the success of Chandrayaan-3 and also the Aditya mission, which is already at the Lagrange point, and of course the data is coming. So that will be the major talking points of this. And also ISRO, as you know, has other ideas of Gaganyaan and so many things. So there are sessions in these 6 parallel sessions that are mentioned. There are sessions on each of these topic, like future Chandrayaans emissions and things like that. So, no, sir. The main function, like the inaugural function, the plenary session, the interdisciplinary session every morning will be at Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium. Then there are 6 parallel sessions. So they will be in our 6 other auditoriums. The 4 in Goa Business School, that is Block F, okay, and 2 in the Block E, Chemical Science and Biotechnology Auditorium. So these are the 6 venues for the 6 parallel sessions. In addition, the poster session and the exhibition will be held in Manohar Parrikar Law School, okay, of Goa University, what you can see there. Okay, and as Professor Rivonker said, there will be breakout sessions which are not decided. These are extempore sessions. So if somebody feels the need, so those 2 sessions will be also in the Manohar Parrikar Law School or any other session room which will be empty, because this will be after the end of the day's program. So if some group of people feel that it is necessary to discuss some important issue, then these breakout sessions will be there.